how to edit your images into your n8n workflows using Nano Banana. So hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit your images like this into your n8n workflows. So we will cover everything in this video, from getting your APIs to setting everything like this workflow. So let's get started. First thing first, you have to make sure that you have an n8n account. If you don't have an n8n account, just go into description and click on that link. You will get 15 days free trial. So first thing first, what you need to have is Google's AI Studio account and then an n8n account. So we have everything. Now let's get started. So first thing first, what you need to do is just create your n8n workflow. As you can see, I have already created and I have already set up everything. Now from there, you have to choose this on form submission. So instead of choosing one by one, what you can do is just comment it down below. I will give you this workflow directly. So you can just download and test by yourself. So as you can see in this workflow, what we did is we have added this form submit form node where we can add the prompt and the image. So what we want to do with that image, we have to enter that. Then we have added this node, which is extract from file. What it does basically, it converts the image into some data like this one. So it's too long. If you want to see, let me show you. So this is what it does. It's like extract from file. In that node, we have set operation of move file to base64 string. And then from there, we have choose the input binary field. And then we have choose this destination output field is data. Now, as you can see, you have to just, let me show you the example. Just execute this step. Let me show you, execute this step. It will pop up something like this. Hold a second. So first nodes open this kind of form where, as I said, you can enter the product details and you can say the prompt, and then you have to add the product image. For example, I will choose this image, which one I have. Let's take an example of this bag. So create a image of the cat walking on the road with this bag. So this is the basic prompt. If you want more detail into your image, you can add more things into it. So I will just click on the submit and it will, as you can see, it will give you the output something like this. So let's move to a second node, which is this one. So what it does basically, it takes this product image and it converts into binary, I guess. So let me show you. You have to switch to schema from your canvas, and from there you have to choose the operation of move file to base64 string. So what it does, it basically convert a file into base64 encoded string. And then next you have to kind of like give an input binary field, which is this one. So you have to just copy this field and just paste it over here, and then over here in the destination output field you have to write data. Then execute this step as well. And as you can see, it gives the data in the form of base64 string. Now we have executed two steps. Now let's open this HTTP node where I have set up this method post. And after that, in the URL section, you can see I have selected this URL. You can just copy this, or you can go into your Google's AI Studio. You can take a endpoint. Like as you can see, there is endpoint. If you go, let me see if they provide any endpoint. As you can see, developers rocks. Let me just open this. So right now, I guess we don't get the endpoint URL in this document, but you can just copy this. You can ask to AI, because I have already get this link URL from the AI. Now from there, you have to choose the authentication none, and then you have to turn on the send query parameter. And then from there, you have to choose specific query parameters. After that, from here, there you have to choose using field below. And then after that, you have to add a query parameter, which is key. And then over here, you have to enter the Gemini API key. So how you are going to find that? Just what you need to do is open your Google AI Studio. If you don't have account, just create a new account. And then after that, in the left side, you will find this, there is option of get API key. Click on that. And from there, you have to click on this create API key and hold a second. And from there, you have to choose this create API key into a project. As you can see, I have a lot of different projects. You have to add this API key into your existing project. How you can create that project? Just simply, who don't know, you can just go to Google Console. As you can see, this is the Google Console Cloud. Just click on this Google Cloud Console. Now, as you can see, it will open something like this. And from here, you have to choose this project option, which is this one. Now from here, as you can see, it will open something like this. From here, you have to choose a new project, click on it and create a new project. If you don't get the idea, just try to create, watch the tutorial, how you can create a project, Google Cloud, or how you can find the API key into your Google AI Studio. It's very simple. And after creating your project, just simply select your project and create API key in the existing project. Click on it and it will give something like this. It will generate the API key, wait for a few seconds and just copy this and paste it over here into value section. So I will not replace this because I'm using already these kind of uh, these API keys. So I will just delete this. Okay, it's good. Now let's get back to our n8n. And if you scroll down a little bit, you will find this. There is an option of send body. So I have turned it on, and then from there I have chosen this body content type, which is JSON. And in that I have chosen this using JSON into your specific body. And it will open something like this where you have to put your JSON prompt. You can say JSON expression. Now from here, as you can see, I got this from this AI Studio. Let me share you. So this is the curve URL. You can just copy this. Let me show you. You can just copy this, get back to your n8n, search for HTTP node, and then click on this import curl. It will set up everything for you. Like you have to give API key and everything. Now the main change over here, what it is, just over here it gives you the text only. So we need text plus image to edit your image. So that's why I have created this. Now let me show you. This is our JSON. As you can see, this is a text where I can add the prompt, and then I have extra added this much where I can just simply add inline data, meme type image, and then data is JSON. As you can see in the right side, you will find the data. This is the data it is. As you can see, as I said, it's too long. Now, and at the end, you have to give this generation config. If you get any error, just I will give you the link of Discord in the description, and you can come to the community and ask question to related to that. Now we have set up everything. Now let's go to let's execute this image. Now wait for a few seconds to generate image. Now, as you can see, the HTTP node has generated this image, but it is in the form of data. Now, how you are going to convert this data in the form of image? So for that, we need this convert to file node, which is this one. And in that, we have chosen the operation of move base 64 string to file. So you have to choose that. And then into base 65 input field, you have to just drag this data into this section. And then into put output file in field section, you have to enter the data. And after setting up this, you have to just execute this step. So it will give you this error. So let me just change this. Just drag this and execute it again. Now, as you can see, it will give me in the form of data. Click on this view data. As you can see, it gives me the exact image which I have entered. Let me show you. Okay, there we go. We have entered this exact image into our this banana image. So yeah, this is how you can create or edit image into your n8n. So you can integrate this workflow into your main workflow as well. So if you got any question, just come into our community and ask. And if you want to create workflow from us, you can just contact us and we will create for you that. So if you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.